Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own Wonder Woman keychain. We're going to be creating it from an existing drawing, or actually a picture, and we'll show you how to do the rest. So we'll go to File, we'll say New Design. We're going to go ahead and change the Plan View. We'll minimize, we'll bring in the graphic. Put that in the middle there. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line across this to see how wide it is. I don't want it to be too wide. Okay, that's 4 inches wide, so we only need this to be maybe 2.5. So we'll drag a line out to 2.5, select to click off. We're going to click on that, and we're going to hold down the Shift key, and we're just going to scale it down. That's probably a good size right there. I'm going to put that right in the center. Click off, click on that line, delete, Control plus to zoom in. Now you'll notice that this Wonder Woman Eagle logo is different thicknesses, so these you're going to have to connect because they can't just float there. But what I'm going to do first is create a line. Put the line there in the middle. I'm going to right mouse click on the line and set as mirror line. Then we're going to turn off the snap to grid. So the first thing I'm going to have to extrude this in pieces because it's they're different thicknesses. Here we're going to go ahead and draw the main piece right here. Okay, go ahead and select the click off and grab a line right there. We'll just click and drag across. Select the click off. Now we're going to grab our trim away tool, trim little pieces. Okay, there's the first part. Now we're going to go draw the second part, which will be this. Select the click off. It's going to be that piece there. Now we got to come over on the other side. Draw that part. And we need to click and draw this part. Actually, let's just end it there. All right, we'll go ahead and turn off that right mouse click, turn off set as mirror. We only want this piece to be over here like this. Just overdraw that piece. Now we'll use this extend corner, create corner. Go from here to here. Oops, I did that wrong. Undo. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just redo the top part. I'll click delete that. I'll go ahead and close that up. Okay, now we got these pieces, this piece. Now we got to draw this W. So we'll need to click back on the center line, right mouse click, set as mirror. Grab our line tool. Now we're going to start drawing this stuff. Can overdraw this. That's fine. Go ahead and select the click off. Grab the line tool. And we'll come right through here. Select the click off. Grab our trim away tool. Get rid of those. I'm going to draw this inside part. Go up to there. Go up to there. Okay, we got most of this. Just need these pieces here, but we got to figure out if we're going to attach these to this or attach them to this. I think we're going to attach to this, so we'll go ahead and come in here, click, and then select the click off. We'll grab our trim away tool. Okay, now we got everything that we need except these pieces. Put the line in there. Go straight across. Select the click off. Get the line tool again. Go from there. Right down to there. Select the click off. Grab our trim away tool. Okay, now we're going to, with the pointer tool, we're going to select the graphic, hit delete. And now we're going to go delete that line in the middle there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and pull. Got to remember what we're pulling this stuff because a lot of it's different. So we're going to go ahead and get our select tool. We're going to do these, pull these first. So we'll just say pull. We'll say from both sides. We're going to drag out. Let's go 0.240. It's a decent amount. Okay, now we're going to go pull. We're going to drag this one, this one, this one, and these here the same size. Go ahead and do double side, and we'll pull those. .18. Okay, so it looks like everything's attached. And then these, this one I forgot to get, so we'll go ahead and pull that, both sides, 0.18. Now we'll go ahead and spin and take a look. Looks good. We're going to put a little piece on top so we can add a little piece to connect our keys to. So we'll go ahead and click up there. We'll go plan view, Control plus to zoom in. I'm going to grab our circle tool or square tool. We'll just make it the whole length. Okay, go ahead and spin. We'll go ahead and pull. I'm going to click on that. Oops. Don't know what happened to my my square. This will actually be a good time we could just do the loft or the blend. So we'll go ahead and I'll select all of these. Control C, Control V. Grab our move tool. We'll pull this square up a little bit. Now we're going to go blend, actually select that. Select, click the select tool, drag a marquee around that. Or I guess I'm just going to have to click these by hand. Go ahead and put in fill. Then we're going to select that blend. I'm going to blend from there to there. Not sure I'm crazy about the shape that it made. Let's go spin this. I guess that's okay. We can use that. We'll just round over these corners. Actually, you know what? I'm going to undo that. Not really liking that piece there. So we're just going to go, let's undo that. Spin this back down. I'm going to put a circle in there. Click on that point. Plan view. Click on the plan view. Go ahead and grab a circle. Nope, not square. Undo. Sorry about that. Get the circle. Go from the center there. Okay, now we're going to spin this. Going to select pull. We'll pull that piece up. It's going to be our little keychain that we'll add a hole in that. And we're going to go ahead and say pull or select pull. We'll drag that in 0.020. Okay, now we'll go ahead and spin this. Now we probably want the hole to go through on this side, so Control minus to zoom out. Go ahead and get our spin tool. We'll spin all the way around this way. Click on that one, side view, and say, oops. Go ahead and go to the right. Gonna have to click there, grab our circle tool. Just go from the center there up. We'll go 0.043. Gonna spin that. We're gonna pull that through. Let's spin to make sure it went through both sides. Okay. Go ahead and go to view. Go to the front view. Or actually, I wanted top view. Top view. All right. There's our little Wonder Woman keychain. Wonder if it would have been better just to put a hole through here. Then you could put the string around. I don't know. I guess we're just going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave it square. I mean, you could add chamfers to this, or you could add fillets. I'm going to keep mine like this. I think it looks cool. Alright, that's going to end today's tutorial. We'll go to top view. Let's go get rid of these. We don't need these in there. Okay, that's going to be our Wonder Woman keychain. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the video and got something useful out of it. And thanks again for watching.